Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share my keyword cannibalization checker tool that's built on the Looker Studio and your Google Search Console data. It's very simple and free template that help you to detect keyword cannibalization and find the way how to fix that. So I will add the link to the video and you will be able to open this template and use it in a few ways. The first one, you just use native Google Search Console connector and you'll be able to choose any property to which you have access in your Gmail account. So you can use it in one click even without copying. If you would like to become the owner of the template and maybe edit some of the charts or filters and so on, you can click on the make a copy and you'll be able to, you should add a few data sets. The first one is like site data set and the other one is a URL data set. I also will attach the screenshot of the order of the data set, so you will copy the template with no issues. Okay, so how to use that right now? You should look for keywords that rank by 2 and more landing pages. And what you should do with that, if you see that the keyword has 2 or even 5, 10 landing page ranked. The first one option, you should understand it's okay that some specific landing page rank for this keyword. Sometimes it's just absolutely non-relevant to the specific keyword, and in this case you usually should fix some content relevance issue. It usually means updating the title, the content, the internal link anchors and so on, just to remove this landing page completely from ranking by this keyword. This is the first solution. The another solution, if that you see that this is okay, that this keyword ranked by many pages just because this is really relevant to all of them. For example, in my case, keyword Google Search Console, I rank 7 landing pages by this keyword, and all of these landing pages are all about the Search Console, so it's okay. I just should have the separate page, like category page, or maybe some main page about Google Search Console overall, about how to use it, and link to all landing pages from this the main page. So in this case it's okay, and this usually means that I should link from all of these pages, add internal links to some separate page about Google Search Console. And the third option is that if you see that you have, like, it's like the third option is like the classical cannibalization. It's when you have 2 or 3 pages, for example, and they rank by the one keyword, but you understand that you want to rank only one landing page for this keyword and other should not be there. For example, in my case, it's the keyword ranking report template. I want to rank only this landing page, keyword ranking report, and this page shouldn't rank by that, just they should rank by another keywords. What should I do in this case? Usually it means that I should also like check the titles and the content about using this keyword too much. I need to update this content, I need to update my internal links anchors, and I also should try to build more backlinks, both internal and external, to these landing pages, to this landing page keyword ranking report with this specific keyword. Because always when you have 3 similar pages that rank by this the same keyword and on the same position, this may be the issue, just because if you will have only one page, maybe you will rank on the number 10 or number 5 average position. So this landing pages should go down by average position, giving more options for keyword ranking report. So that's all. It's very easy to use. Yeah, you should just look for keyword that has 2 and more landing pages. You also can use filters by landing pages and keywords above. Yeah, and you also can export this data to the Google Sheets and work with that there. So that's all. It's free, simple, one-page template, and I will attach a link to that. Have a nice day.